Hello everyone, happy Friday! Just wanted to show you a few of the activities in Seesaw for today. Just wanted to show you how they work. The first one is a plain shape sort and then a shape attribute activity. So if you click on either of the two blue links, it'll bring you into Seesaw. The plain shape sort looks like this. You can use the draw tool or the highlight tool. There are some directions here and it does tell you how to color code each of the shapes. I would suggest writing them down like on a sticky note or a piece of paper just so you or your student doesn't get frustrated and they can't remember which color or which shape gets what color. So I will go ahead and write that down. So you're going to click Add Response. I am the sample student. And it said all three-sided shapes yellow. So I'm going to select my tool. I'm going to grab yellow. And I would just go ahead and start shading that in. If you could, I know some screens and some devices are bigger than others, but it really helps me out if you do try to color in most of the shape rather than just making a small dot with the color in the middle of the shape. So quadrilaterals are blue. You can pick any beautiful shade of blue that you would like and color in the four-sided shapes blue. Again, try to color in the whole shape and not just a dot. It makes it a little bit easier for me to see. When you are done, click the green check mark and it will submit that. The second thing I have for you is, now give me a second here because I got a lot of things going on, is the attribute sort. Looks like this. You are going to click the Add Response, read the headings, and then tap the Move button to sort the shapes in the correct category, and then click the check mark when you're finished. So has 3 sides, has more than 3 sides. This shouldn't take very long. You're going to click the Move button down here at the bottom, the finger, and it has 3 sides. So I'm going to drag this one over here. More than 3 sides. This shape has more than 3 sides, so go ahead and move all the shapes around. Click the check mark when you're finished, and it will submit your response. Going back to the calendar really quick, if you did not upload your opinion writing to Seesaw from yesterday, if you're still working on it, that is perfectly fine. But please do upload that so I can see it. We have a grammar toothy today. I did show you previously how to use toothy, but I will go ahead and show you again. And then today is a Raz Kids Day, so you can go ahead and read a book in Raz Kids. So grammar toothy, let me go over back to my Seesaw. This one just had, the directions are just a little bit, you don't have to click the Add Response, and I'll show you what I mean here in a second. So it says click on the pronoun box with the dogs. Do not click Add Response. So you're just going to click on this picture over here. And then you're going to click View as a Google Doc. And then you are going to click Present. Okay. And then you just have to click the screen to go through. Oops, sorry, I have to click on the tooth. So we have to click on the pronoun for the underlined word. Tom went to the park and played ball. Which of these pronouns would replace Tom? Tom is a he, so I will click he. It adds my tooth. I click on the tooth again to get to the next screen. The ham sandwiches are yours and mine. Yours and mine. Would that be ours, he, or them? Okay, now if your student clicks on the wrong one, it will tell them, and it'll tell them to go back and try again. You're just going to click on the arrow, and they get to try again. I'm going to click on ours. That is the right answer. it put another tooth up, and I can keep on playing. Okay, so I'm not going to play the whole round of Toothy, but I don't know if you saw that X kind of appear up here. That's what that was for, to kind of get out of that. And I think that is all I have for you today. I hope these tutorials are just something quick that you can watch really fast so you know kind of what to expect when you're going into the activities. Again, happy Friday, and let me know if you have any questions.